In the previous lesson, we installed the microcontroller unit, the motors, and the battery for the robot. The robot is partially done, but we couldn't attach the arms and the head yet, since we don't know what position the motors are in. If we attach the arms without locating the exact position of the motors, the arms may not function correctly. They may swing backwards. So we must calibrate the robot. Calibration is a process to bring the motors in a known position so that we can attach the arms and the head, and the program will know exactly how to position and make the movements correctly. Essentially, a calibration is a special purpose small program that we use to upload to the robot's memory and run it to bring the motors to their known position. For example, 90 degrees. But how do we write the program and load that into the robot's memory? We need a programming application on your computer. You can use Windows or Apple computer. The specific application we will use is called Arduino IDE, or Arduino Interactive Development Environment. Why Arduino IDE? Well, because the specific microcontroller we are using is made by Arduino, and usually the manufacturer provides a way to program their microcontroller. So, the Arduino IDE is provided by Arduino. It is an application just like any others, such as Microsoft Word on your computer. Be sure to ask for help from a parent or guardian to download and install this application. You need to visit Arduino and download the installation file for your computer. There are different versions of the file for Mac and Windows. Be sure to download the correct type. Download the Mac version if you're using Mac computer, or the Windows version if you're using a Windows machine. Once downloaded, just follow the instructions to install it on your computer. You can search Arduino IDE in the Google search bar, and you'll see from where you can download Arduino IDE. Once you have installed the application on your computer, you may see an Arduino IDE icon on your computer. Simply click on the icon or search for Arduino app in the search box to locate the app and start the app. Once you have started the Arduino app on your computer, it will look something like this. Please note, I am showing you the Windows version of Arduino IDE. Let's get familiar with this app. As you will notice, there's a main menu with File, Edit, Sketch, Tools, and Help. Below that, you will see a few icons. The checkmark icon is to check the code to make sure there are no errors in your code. The right arrow icon is the icon to upload the code to the robot. The up arrow icon is to open a specific code file, and down arrow icon is to save the code. We will learn more about some of these functions a bit later. Let's talk about the programs, the code, that I have already written for this robot. Along with the robotics kit, there are 4 different pre-written programs. We will use these programs as we learn more about coding to make the robot do different things. Please make sure you have downloaded these 4 programs and saved them to your computer. If you are unsure about these programs, please check with your instructor or contact Kids Explore Robotics to get the program files. The names of the program files are 1. RobbyCalibration.ino 2. RobbyBasicCode.ino 3. RobbyLED.ino and 4. RobbyDrumNLight.ino.